One of the fastest and easiest ways to get mobile data in Panama is with a prepaid plan. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get a data plan, where to buy a SIM card, which carriers are available, how much it costs, and a few important tips that can save you both time and money. This is the first and most important step. Before you travel, you need to check that your phone is carrier unlocked. If your phone is locked to a provider from your home country, such as AT&T or T-Mobile, a Panamanian SIM card won't work. The easiest way to check is by contacting your carrier before your trip. Another option is to borrow a SIM card from a different carrier and test it on your phone. If it works, then your phone is unlocked. The two main mobile providers in Panama are Móvil and Tigo. Both offer prepaid plans with either unlimited or limited data. Since plans and prices can change, it's always a good idea to check the official websites for the latest offers. For Tigo, visit tigo.com.pa and click on Prepaid. You can also on the menu select Prepaid followed by Packages. Here, you will find all about their current plans. For Móvil, head over to masmobilpanama.com and click on Prepaid Plans. That's where you'll find all of their available unlimited and limited prepaid options. Depending on how long you'll be staying in Panama, you can choose a plan based on the active days. Both providers offer plans for 1, 3, 5, 7, and 10 days. Now, let's take a look at the details. Tigo 7-day plan offers unlimited data, unlimited calls to other phone numbers of the same carrier, 100 text messages to other Tigo phone numbers, 30 minutes call to other operators, 20 text messages to other operators, and 1.5 gigabyte to share, with a price of $6.75. Móvil 7-day plan offers unlimited data, unlimited calls to other phone numbers of the same carrier Móvil, 25 minutes call to other operators, and 3 gigabytes to share, with a price of $6. Plans offered by Tigo and Móvil are similar to each other. Móvil is slightly cheaper, it offers fewer minutes call to other operators, and a bit more gigabytes to share. All data plans are in 4G LTE. If you're looking for a 5G data plan, Móvil offers a 5G 7-day plan for $7. 5G network coverage is mainly available in the city. If you're planning to visit beaches, small towns, or other provinces, we recommend a 4G LTE data plan. Tigo offers other additional plans, including 2, 15, and 30-day packages for longer stays. Tigo and Móvil also offer limited data plans. The only drawback of a limited data plan is that once your data runs out, you need to top up again, even if your plan is still active. Since the unlimited plan costs only a little more, we think it's the best option for most visitors. That way, you won't have to worry about running out of data during your trip. If you recall, for Tigo 7 days unlimited data was $6.75. Here, for $6, they are giving you only 10 gigabytes. For 75 cents, it's better to get the unlimited data plan. Once you have chosen a data plan, you need to buy a SIM card from the same mobile provider. You can buy one at official Móvil or Tigo stores located in shopping malls like Albert Mall or Multiplaza, or you can go to any store that sells cell phone accessories or cell phone related products. A SIM card usually costs between $1 and $2 plus sales taxes. Before purchasing, ask if the SIM card can be registered under your name. This is important because if you ever lose your SIM card, you'll be able to recover your phone number. Sometimes they can sell you a SIM card that is already registered under someone else's name, so always ask first to make sure you are getting a new one. Don't forget to bring your passport or another valid ID for registration. Most of the stores help you with registration for free. Try avoiding the stores that charge you a fee for this service. You can also register it yourself. It's very easy, and you just have to follow these steps. First, turn off your phone and insert the SIM card. Turn back on your phone and connect to a secure Wi-Fi. Scan the QR code printed on the card. It will open the carrier's website for new number registrations. Type in your new phone number. Type in the 4-digit PIN that they will send you by text message. Take a picture of your ID or passport, both front and back. Finally, fill out the form with your full name, birth date, ID or passport number, and email. Accept the terms and conditions, click on Save, give the system a few minutes, and your new phone number should be registered successfully. There are two ways to buy a data plan. The easiest option is to buy the whole package, SIM card plus data plan at the cell phone store. The staff usually help you register, activate, and test everything before you leave. If you are not very confident in Spanish, this will be the option we recommend to all visitors. The second option is to do it yourself using a prepaid balance card. You can find balance cards in $3, $5, $6, and $10. When choosing a data plan, make sure you buy enough credit for the plan you want. If your plan costs $3.50, then you need at least a $5 balance card. Keep in mind that you need to add at least $3 in credit to activate your new SIM card for the first time. Here we have a $5 Mass Móvil balance card. To activate the data plan, we need two steps. First, we need to add balance to our account, and then we can activate the data plan. Let me show you. Let's start by scratching off the gray area at the back of the card to reveal the code. Now, we just need to follow the instructions written on the back of the card. To add balance, we need to dial *166* followed by the secret code, then by hashtag and press send. Then, to activate the plan, we need to dial *456# and press send. Type 1 to buy packages. Type 1 for unlimited data plans. Choose the plan you want to buy. In this case, we're choosing the plan 5 days for $5, which is option number 4. This plan includes 25 minutes to call other operators, 1 GB data to share, and 100 text messages. Type 1 to activate. Type 1 to keep our current choice. And that's it. Your plan has been added successfully. If you buy a Tigo SIM card and balance card, the process is the same. The only difference is that when adding balance or credit to your account, you need to dial *312, and when activating a plan, you need to dial *888#. Before you leave the store, make sure everything is working properly. Open Google Maps, WhatsApp, or any other app to confirm that your mobile data is working. If you need internet immediately after landing at the airport, both Terminal 1 and Terminal 2 have kiosks that sell SIM cards with data plans. The downside is that prices are usually much higher and plan options are more limited. For both Tigo and Más Móvil, the cheapest unlimited plan available at the airport is $30 for 7 days. If your phone doesn't have a physical SIM card slot, don't worry. Both Más Móvil and Tigo support eSIM technology. In many cases, the store where you purchase your plan can help you convert your physical SIM to an eSIM from $3 to $5. And they will guide you with the installation process. You can find a complete list of eSIM compatible phone models on their official website. You may have heard about travel eSIM providers like Airalo and Holafly. While they are convenient, they tend to be much more expensive than local prepaid plans. For example, a 3-day unlimited plan with Airalo can cost around $20, while Holafly charges a similar amount. By comparison, a local SIM card plus a prepaid data plan can cost around $5. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips that can help you choose the right plan. In Panama, you probably won't need unlimited calling or texting. Almost everyone uses WhatsApp to communicate, including businesses, restaurants, hotels, and even tour operators. We definitely recommend installing WhatsApp before your trip. If you're planning to explore beyond Panama City, many of the cell phone stores we visited recommended Tigo because of its better nationwide coverage. And if you are traveling with family or friends and expect to spend a lot of time watching YouTube, streaming Netflix, or playing online games, consider getting an additional SIM card with its own data plan. That way, you won't have to rely only on the shareable data included in some prepaid packages. And that's all there is to it. We hope this guide helps you get connected quickly and easily so you can enjoy your time in Panama without worrying about finding internet. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. We are always happy to help. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more Panama travels tips, guides, and helpful information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.